Hey, so this is how I wrap an XLR cable. So I've got at least a 20-foot XLR cable. Now, you're going to start on one end, hold it here. Now the most important part, you got to twist. Wrap it into a uniform loop. Now, depending on how long your cable's been wrapped up, it might have a little bit of a kink here and there, but we're trying to keep it uniform. It doesn't have to be perfect, but we keep twisting every time we go back up. So that's the most important part. You got to twist so it wants to coil up, and that's what makes it nice and uniform. So, alright, so see that little kink there? That's just because it's been wrapped up for a while. Now, once we get here to this point, we can take whatever we have. I have a little clip here. These are really handy. And there we go, it's ready to hang up. The other way to do this, if you don't have a clip, I'm going to unwrap now. So you take both ends, go the whole length, all the way to the other loop. Now we have two ends and one loop. We take all of those ends all the way. So we folded it into 4 separate wires. Now it's 8. So we combine those. Now, once you get here, do a little knot. Not too tight, so it's nice and loose. We're not breaking any of the cables inside the insulation. So there you go, and that's ready to hang up as well. Easy.